How you doing? I'm doing a review on tribodyn oil. I put it in my bike about a week ago. I got about 625 miles on it. I noticed some really good things about it. One, it dissipated the heat. I used to run into a lot of problems in traffic with pinging when the bike would get extremely hot. It's been in the 90s here, so no more pinging. So obviously it's dissipating the heat like it's supposed to. As far as noise, it quieted the motor down some. The transmission, definitely the gear oil shifts, it makes it shift a lot better, a lot less clunky. I picked up 2 miles to the gallon. I take the same way to work and home every day, get gas at the same place. I picked up 2 miles to the gallon, which is excellent. And overall, it's worked out really well. I'm using 2050 synthetic blend in the engine, 75-140 gear oil in the transmission. The bike is a 2007 Street Glide. It does have a little bit more response, and I did notice on the highway while riding that definitely, I didn't have to open the throttle up as much at cruising speed as I normally do. It definitely made a huge difference, and I would recommend it and use it again.